Hi everyone, Charles Fabertec. Now FL3 models, 1390, our little babies. So this is being assembled, laser head is going in, laser is gonna be connected, but almost ready. This is ready for cutting. Again, couple of small amendments. New strong proper arm, so it's gonna be nice and stable. You can literally hang on it. And soon, in about 5-6 weeks, we'll be in UK in showroom, and this one is going for the client, another is going for the showroom, but we have two other ones which can be dedicated for you. So just let us, and we can definitely find you a solution with spare sources, spare laser head, up to 12 kilowatt. Probably we can install everything in a couple of days time in UK. So yeah, cheers and see you soon.